Hey guys, welcome back, and today me and Tate are going to be adventuring through the woods. And as you guys saw in part 1, we kind of did a little thing right here, but this time we're going to be going through more of the woods, and it's going to be cool. So let's go. We go the bridge or our way? This one. Okay. Let's go.
We made this when we were young kids.
Yes. I was 8 or something, and I'm 11.
I'm 9.
Yeah, so Tate was 6, and I was 8 or 7. I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm 11. So we're going through this little part of the woods, and there is a massive wildfire by the recycling center, the recycling and dump center. If you guys heard on the news yet, and it's crazy. So I don't know if I can catch it in this right from back here, because there's a little opening.
Right there.
Yeah, see right there. All that is not just clouds, that's fire smoke. So crazy.
All I can see is smoke.
Yes, literally the whole sky's just smoke. Okay, so this
right on that side, it's perfectly clear.
Yeah, look, if you come on this side, see how dark it was there? Look up here. Bright, actually it kind of looks dark on camera. I don't know if it does or not, but from what I see it looks.
So we came up there on part 1, and so now part 2?
Yes, we're going to be going.
We have to go far.
Before I just kind of showed there, now we're going to actually go in and show you through the creek. We had a video through here, but it messed up. Something messed up with the recording. With the recording, look. What even is that? Wait, let me get closer. I'll zoom. Little wrapper right there. Sorry if my hand gets in the way, or finger, because it's really hard to get through here. Look. We're gonna have to walk through that.
Gas or something?
No, I think it's just from the water stopping or something. Because there's a lot of twigs that fell and stopped.
Okay, this is pretty easy because we've already been through here.
Yes, and that's where in the other video, that's where I kind of stepped here and it fell.
It's kind of an easier way, but
yes. This is oh, and Tate's gonna have to go first up here, and I'm gonna have to pass him the camera or something, because I will not be able to get past. Really? This is hard to film. Oh yeah, and comment if you see any poison ivy, because dude, what did we get into? Tate, how did you just go? Stop. I'm saying stop to the leaves, because these stupid leaves. Oh, this is probably the part that I'm gonna. Oh no, I slipped.
okay.
Tate, yeah. I'm not. Sorry. It's freaking water.
Dude.
Water.
Oh. Okay, wait, let me see it.
Let me see it. Wait, where'd he go? Wait, I just found there's a bug. Where's it at? There it is. Wait. Where? Wait, where'd he go? Oh, there it is. Wait. See that bug? It's right there. Oh!
That's not a bug, that's a spider.
Oh, dude, that's a creepy spider. Dude, okay.
The last time we got through here, I took over and...
Yeah, and kind of messed it up. Freaking Tate. So...
Well, frick! We found 2 soccer balls over here.
Yeah.
Because I just found another one. 7.
What?
We found one right there.
Oh, yes, there's
and I
one
just
right
found
there.
Another one.
Dude, there's another soccer ball right here. Okay, come on.
Bring it. Bring it. Bring it.
Dude, I swear I just saw frogs
Last
in
time,
here.
I went over there.
Yes, Tate was stupid.
It sucked.
Oh, a softball. Dude, that's the same softball. Remember when there was like a yard sale? And we went over there.
yeah.
I went and got like some change for my mom. And we went and bought it. And like one time we like lost it and it like went in the creek or something and it like flowed down here. I think that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude.
No way.
Oh, there's actual no way.
It's like moldy and everything. One animal on it. We found one animal.
Here, look. Get it. Get it. Look at me. He's freaking caught. And that's the ball. He's freaking actually. And wait, look. Let me see it. And it was just like, this is so hard to film. Look, it was just like right there. There's no way. Dude, look over there. Oh, a bird. Wait, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Look, a bird. It's stuck. Let me feel it. Let me feel it.
Bro, we gotta go back.
Bro, no way. Hold it. Feel it.
Bro, we gotta go.
Tate, wait.
In this video, we found a bird.
Bro, we found a bird. There's actually no way. It's like hurt.
I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, crap. Tate, wait. Wait, don't.
This is not a pet bird.
Don't show your mom. Don't show your mom. She's gonna make us put it back. Tate, get the camera. Get the camera. Here.
This is not a
Here,
pet
get.
bird.
Wait, look. Let me show you. Let me show it. Let me record it. Tate, let me record it.
Bro, this thing's strangling.
Wait, let me answer.
This freaking bird. I don't want him to drop it. So I'm putting it slow.
Okay.
Mom! We found a bird in the creek!
It was like drowning.
It was drowning, I caught it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, he's hurt, buddy.
Yeah, I caught it.
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Seriously?
Yeah.
What's wrong with him?
Probably a wing or something.
Oh man.
You guys need to go put him back. I'm sorry. You gotta go.
Here, Devin.
You need to put him back and you need to wash your hands.
Okay.
Because he probably has some type of disease.
Devin, just put it in the creek.
Oh man. Okay. Do I put him in the water? Okay. Come on. I feel so bad. Yeah, it's definitely his leg that's hurt. Okay. Oh man. I feel bad, bro. Dude. What?
Did you put it back here?
Yeah, he kind of jumped on my hands, but... Dude, okay. That's sad. Let's just go finish the video, okay? Bye. Oh, I think it's hungry.
Yeah, definitely.
Watch, watch. It, like, opens its mouth.
Here.
It's not gonna eat a leaf. Bro, it needs worms. Oh. Okay, let's just go finish this video, and then after this video, let's go get worms. I know where a worm is.
No, really.
Yes. Okay, come on, Tate. We'll come back. Okay. What? Really?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it can walk, but like, it's hurt. Don't let it go through the fence. Let me get it. Tate, get it. Tate, get it. No. Bro, stop torturing it.
I'm not torturing it.
Bro, just put it where we got it. Or like up in a tree or something, dude.
Right here.
It's pretty soft right here. Okay, come on. Wait, Devin.
What?
Hold this. Bye, Jimmy.
No.
Okay, come on. This video's getting really long. Okay. I guess it's only 11 minutes. Dude. Oh, dude. Its feet definitely isn't like messed up. Yeah. Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Well, I guess that's it. See you in the next one, and peace. Say bye, Tate. Peace.